Okay, hello everybody. Ito na po yung part 2 ng numbers, which is native Korean numbers. Okay. So, this time, from 11 to 1 million po yung pag-aralan natin. Okay? So, don't you worry. Mabilis lang po ito. Okay, so let's start. Let's have a review first. Yung 1 to 10 is il, i, sam, sa, u, yuk, chil, pal, ku, ship. Okay, that is 1 to 10. Itong il, i, sam, sa, u, yuk, chil, pal, ku, dapat kabisaduhin nyo po yan. Kasi lahat yan ginagamit. From 11 to 19, 21 to 29, so on and so forth. So this time, let's move on. Sa shib is 10, di po ba? Kung shib plus il, di po ba 11 siya? Tapos, shib, which is 10, plus e, naging shibi. Shib plus sam, shibsam, shib plus sa, shibsa, shib plus o, shibo, and so on and so forth. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po is, sasabihin nyo lang ng, halimbawa, 11. That is, shibil. Okay, 11. Next, shibi, which is 12. Shibsam, shibsa, shibo, shimyuk, shibchil, shibpal, shibku. Okay? Next is 20. So, di ba yung 2 is E? Okay? 2 is E. Kaya pag sabihin mong 20, E, shib. Okay? Tapos, di ba, sam is 3? Pag sabihin mong 30, that is sam shib. 40 is sa shib. 50 is o shib. 60 is yuk shib. 70 is chil shib. 80 is pal shib. 90 is ku shib. Okay? So, ito na nga po yon. E is 2. Shib is 10. Pag sinabi mong E shib, that is 20. So, pag sasabihin mong 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, that is ishibil. Kasi yung il is 1, di po ba? Ishibil, ishibi. Okay, ishibi, dalawa. I'm sorry, what's this? Okay. Yung mark na, ano ba yan? Yung ink. Okay, so, ishibil, ishibi, isibsam, isibsa, isibu, isimyuk, isibchil, isibpal, isibku. Kadami. After ng i, di po ba, sam siya, sam. After ng i, il, i, sam. Kaya pag sinabi mong 30, that is samshib. Samshib. Tapos, magbilang ka na naman ng 31 to 39, that is samshibil, samshibi, samsibsam, samsibsa, samshibu, samsimyuk, samsibchil, samsibpal, samsibku. Next is 40. Sa shib. Kasi sa is 4, shib is 10, sa shib 40. Tapos, sasabihin mo naman na sa shibil, which is 41, sa shibi, 42. Okay? So, continue nyo lang po yun. 41 to 49, which is sa shibil, sa shibi, sa sibsam, sa sibsa, sa shibu, sa simyu, sa sibchil, sa sibpal, sa shibku. Sa shibku. So, after ng sa is o, di po ba? Il, i, sam, sa, o. So, O is 5, SHIB is 10, O SHIB is 50. Tapos, sasabihin nyo naman ng 51. So, O SHIB il, O SHIB bi, O SHIB sam, O SHIB sa, O SHIBu, O SHIB yuk, O SHIB chil, O SHIB pal, O SHIB ku, which is 59. So, after ng 59, of course, 60. So, 60 in Korean, that is yuk shib. Since yuk is 6, shib is 10. So, yuk shib is 60. Yuk shibil, 61. So, 61 to 69, let's count. Yuk shibil, yuk shibi, yuk shibsam, yuk shibsa, yuk shibu, yuk shimyuk, yuk shibchil, 68, 69. So, 69 is 69. This time, 70. So, 7 is chil. Shib is 10. So, chil shib is 70. Chil shib. Karam, 71 to 79. Let's count. Chil shibil, chil shibi, chil shibsam, chil shibsa, chil shibu, chil shimyuk, chil shibchil, 78, 79. Okay, 79, which is 79. That is, next is 80. 8 is pal, shib is 10. So, pal shib is 80. Pal shib. So, you are going to count 81 to 89. Pal shibil, pal shibi, pal shibsam, pal shibsa, pal shibu, pal shimyuk, pal shibchil, pal shibpal, pal shibku, which is 89. Next is 90. So 9 in Korean, that is ku. Shib is 10. Ku shib, that is 90. Ku shib, 90. So let's count 91 to 99. Kushibil, kushibi, kushibsam, kushibsa, kushibo, kushimyuk, kushibchil, kushibpal, kushibku. Kushibku, 99. Kushibku. Next is, after ng 99 is, iba na po siya. That is back. Okay? Back, 100. Back, 99. Kushibku, kadami, back. Back. Okay? That is back. So, pag mag-count naman kayo ng 101, 102, same lang din po. Yung binilang natin 1 to 99. Sasabihin mo lang, bek il, beki, bek sam, bek sa, bek u, bek yuk. But be careful yung, or take note dun sa tinuro ko sa inyo before. Basta yung, halimbawa, isulat ko na lang po dito. Wait. So, for example, diba yung 101, for example, ang layo yata, 101, okay? So, 101 is back, sulat ko po, back, 100 is back, di po ba? Tapos ito 1, so il. Okay, so dito po, pag vowel, always po yan. Okay, pag vowel, hindi nyo sasabihin big il, big i, big sam. Though dito pwede rin naman, pero pag dito kasi vowel, idugtong nyo po yung pagsabi nyo, begil, begi. Okay, 101, 102. Okay, so this time, ganyan yung pagkasulat. Pero pag babasahin nyo, dapat ba ganyan? Okay, that is real. Okay, or begil. Begil. Okay, huwag nyo pong kalimutan yan. Tapos, kung halimbawa, dito sa 102. 102 is bek tapos i. Kurom, sasabihin yung begi. Begi. Okay? Which means 102. So, 103 is Okay, sulat po natin. 103 is, bek is 100. 3 is sum. Pag dito naman, bisyllable po yung pagbigkas nyo. Bek sum. Okay? Bek sum. Kasi S or itong shoot dito is consonant. So, bek sum. Biksa. Okay? So, hanggang 105 lang yung ibigay ko. Yung example. Maintindihan nyo na ito. So, 103. So, this time, 104. 4 is sa. Okay? So, bek sa. Bek sa. But this time, 105. 5 is O. Okay? 5 is O. Kaya, sasabihin nyong bego. Bego. Okay? Pag-pronounce nyo, bego. Bek-o siya. Tapos, pag bibilisan nyo, bego. Okay. Tapos, pag halimbawa, gusto nyo sabihin na 100. Diba yung 100 is bek? That is bek. So, 200 is, diba 2 is E? Kaya sasabihin na lang ng E bek. Okay? Halimbawa, 300. Yung 3 is sum. Okay? Il isam. Kung sasabihin na lang na sum bek. Okay? So on and so forth. Sabek, obek, yukbek, chilbek, palbek, kubek. Okay? So, ganyan po siya. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan. I-connect niyo po yung mga alphabets. Consonant. Pag ang katabi ay vowel. So, that is bek, 100. Sa next is chon. Chon is 1,000. Chon. Chon. So, kung halimbawa sabihin yung itchon. Itchon is, E is 2. Kaya that is 2,000. Pag 3,000 naman, samchon. Pag 4,000, sachon. Pag 5,000, ochon. Pag 6,000, yukchon. Pag 7,000, chilchon. Pag 8,000, palchon. Pag 9,000, kuchon. Okay? Lagyan nyo lang yung il-isam sa uyuk chilpal ku. Okay? Next is man. Man or 10,000. Man. 10,000 in Korean, that is man. Okay? Man. So, pag halimbawa 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, lagyan nyo lang dito ng, palitan nyo lang. Di ba ito man is, or ilman. Il is 1, di po ba? Ilman. Pag naging 20,000, iman. I, kadami samman. Saman, oman, yungman, chilman, palman, kadami kuman. So, 90,000 ito. Okay. So, next, shibman. Shibman is 100,000. Shibman in Korean, that is 100,000. Okay. Shibman, kung halimbawa, sabihin yung 200,000, that is ishibman. Kasi di ba yung E is, yung 2 is E. So, ishibman, samshibman, sashibman, oshibman, yukshibman, chilshibman, palshibman, kushibman. Okay, kushibman. So, 900,000. And then, the last, Bekman, that is 1 million. Bekman. Bengman. Pagkasulat is Bekman. Pero, pag sasabihin nyo po yan, okay, that is Bekman. Pero pag binigkas nyo po yan, yung pronunciation lang is Bek, kasi giyok dito at saka M dito, miyom. Bekman. Pero yung tamang pronunciation niyan is Bengman. Okay? So, 1 million is Beckman. Pag ang giyok, kasunod niya is miyom, ito ay nagiging iyong sound. Iyong. Okay, this is iyong. So, remember, giyok, pag ang kasunod is miyom or M, nagiging iyong sound itong G. Kaya, hindi siya Beckman, kundi Bengman. Okay, Bengman. Remember that one. Okay, so, yun yung hanggang 11 to 1 million. So, let's just try to, I'm going to give you an example. Okay, so let's just try this number. 500,000. Okay? 500,000 500,000 is, di ba yung 5 is O? Okay? Kadami yung 100,000 is 10만. 그래서 O 10만 po ito. Okay? Kasi yung 10만 is 100,000 10만. Pero 5 kasi dito, kaya lalagyan mo or sasabihin mo ng O 10만. O 10만. Okay? So, ganun lang po. It's very easy. Okay? It's very easy. So, ganun lang po ang pagbilang ng 11 to 1 million. So, pag sabihin mo naman na 2 million, di ba yung 2 is E? Sasabihin mo lang na Beckman. Beckman. Okay? Yung pagsulat is Beckman. So, Beckman, Sam Beckman, Sa Beckman, O Beckman. Okay. Continue nyo lang. Basta yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, pinaka basic po yun. Dapat makabisa nyo. Ganun lang yung pagbilang ng native Korean numbers. So, sa next video ko is yung Sino-Korean po na naman yung ituturo ko, which is 1 to 10 na naman. 1 to 10. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching and be blessed. See you on my next video. The next video is Sino-Korean number, the China system. Okay.